Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete music in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete music in Terabox or to delete audio files in your Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I have already opened my Terabox app. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface, which is the home interface of Terabox, you can see there is the photos, videos and documents with the more button at the right side. Will be required to tap on the more button at the right side of the documents over here. Tap on more, and when this interface appears, tap on the music button over here. Tap on music, and all of the music which you had uploaded to your Terabox account or Terabox drive will be over here. Now in order to proceed to delete a music in Terabox, simply tap and hold on the music which you want to delete, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of that option or that music which you chose, the menu will be available for you at the bottom of the screen. You can see there is the delete button available for us just beside the share at the bottom of the screen. Tap on delete and again tap on delete. By doing that, guys, it will be sent to the recycle bin, where after 10 days it will be cleared out permanently from your recycle bin of your Terabox app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete music in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.